Hey guys, let's assemble this together. With me here I have some sandwich bread or burger bread. Yes, and then I have this iceberg lettuce. I have some eggs here. I have my tomatoes and cucumbers. In case you're wondering how the eggs are looking like this, I made it with this thing. You guys remember when I showed you in my unboxing video, one of my unboxing videos, I was even asking Tim, what am I supposed to do with this? This is exactly what I made with it. And it's looking so perfect. Like, look at the shape of the eggs. They are looking so good. So let's get started, guys. Oh, I forgot to mention, I have my salsa cream here. You can use mayonnaise, but we love this cream so much, so we've been using this for the longest time now, and everybody in my house loves it. But if you want, you can use mayonnaise. So we are going to start with these ones first, then I'm going to open these ones up later. These ones are already cut. They came pre-cut, so I don't need to do any other work. I just have to open and use. All right, we are going to start by assembling placing the, what are they called? The iceberg lettuce. Don't mind me, guys. Hold up. You too. All right. All right, guys, first set done and dusted. I'm going to move over to the second batch. Oh, I forgot to mention, I seasoned the eggs with just salt, only salt. So I added olive oil in the pan I showed you earlier, and then cracking the eggs, and then sprinkled a tiny bit of salt, and that's it. But if you like, you can season it whichever way you prefer. And of course, guys, we are going to be having it with some coffee. So I'm going to make the coffee now.